Here I'll show you how SessionLab helps your team turn incoming workshop and training requests into consistent, high quality agenda drafts in just a few minutes. So imagine a client has just sent over a request describing the workshop they need. Rather than starting from a blank page, we'll let the AI assistant analyze that request using our team's preferred standards. I'll start here from the AI assistant in the recents view, and I'll upload the client's facilitation request and ask the AI assistant to extract the key information into our standard needs assessment page. While that's running, let's quickly look at the request itself. Here's the information the client provided, describing their needs, number of participants, their background and scope, language and format, and then some key information regarding the context, such as the objectives of the session and the overall goal. Back in SessionLab, let's take a look at our needs assessment page template. This is currently empty, but it's been set up with standard headers that will always be populated with the information we need. It's already part of the session because our team has configured it as a standard page that's automatically included whenever someone creates a new workshop. So that makes sure that every facilitator follows the same structure, making it much easier to maintain consistent quality across the team. Once the analysis is complete, the AI assistant has organized the information from the client's request into the relevant sections of our needs assessment page. Instead of manually reading through documents and copying notes, we've already got a structured starting point for the discovery conversation with the client. From here, the facilitator can review the information, make any adjustments, ask follow-up questions, and refine the requirements before moving into workshop design. Now, creating a first draft agenda is very easy with the AI assistant. I'll select Create Agenda, and the AI system will get to work populating an agenda with the information from the needs assessment page. While this is being created, I'll show you that I've already got some context for the AI assistant set up in my account settings here. This allows me and my colleagues to define our preferred facilitation approaches, design principles, ways of working, so every agenda created with the AI assistant follows these same guidelines rather than each facilitator using their own approach. After a few moments, the AI assistant generates a complete draft agenda, and it isn't just a generic workshop outline, it's based on the client's requirements, the completed needs assessment, and the design context defined by your organization. From here, facilitators can continue refining the agenda, bringing in activities from previous sessions, making adjustments with the AI assistant, or collaborating with colleagues to finalize the design. This gives your team a consistent workflow from workshop request through needs assessment to a high quality draft agenda, saving time while helping every facilitator follow the same proven design standards.